Planes presents El Chupacabra.
Who is the plane making gravity back down first? El Chupacabra! Who is the plane who breaks wind? And it stays broken. El Chupacabra! Who is the plane whose mask? Who is this plane? This super plane? He goes only by one name. El Chupacabra!
El Chupacabra? Isn't that the monster that siphons your fuel?
It is a stage name, used to strike fear into the hearts of my opponents.
Those are...
Not so much like struck, but like graced with fear.
Oh, yeah. If I may continue, por favor? The plane, the myth,
No,
the
no, no.
legend,
Look out.
El Chupacabra!
Disney's Planes is coming...